In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trello integration to Notion. Notion Trello How to Part 1. By the end, you'll have the Notion power-up added to your Trello board so you can start connecting cards with your Notion workspace. Make sure you're signed into Trello and that you have permission to manage power-ups on the board you're working with. Start by opening Trello and heading to your board's view. From there, select the board where you want the Notion connection. This matters because power-ups are enabled at the board level, not across your entire account. Once the board is open, look toward the top of the board for the power-ups option. Depending on your layout or theme, you might see it as an item in the board's menu. Click it to open the power-ups panel. Inside the Power-Ups panel, choose Add Power-Ups. This opens Trello's directory of integrations and tools. It can feel a bit crowded, so using the search bar is the fastest way to get what you need. In the search box, type Notion. Give the directory a moment to filter the results. You should see the Notion Power-Up appear. If you don't, check your spelling and make sure filters aren't hiding it. When you see Notion in the results, click Add. Trello will prepare the integration for your board. You may see a confirmation prompt or a brief loading indicator. If your plan limits the number of power-ups, you might need to disable another one first to make room. That's normal on some free plans. After that, confirm by clicking Add Again to enable it on the board. This step completes the activation, and you'll know it worked when you see Notion listed under your enabled power-ups for the board. From here, the power-up is installed and ready. If Trello or Notion later prompts you to authorize access, just follow the on-screen instructions within those services. That's part of the normal secure connection process, and you can review or revoke access at any time from their settings. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If power-ups don't appear where you expect, open the board menu and look for a section labeled Power-Ups or Apps. Interfaces change occasionally, but the feature is the same. If you manage multiple boards, remember you'll enable Notion on each board where you want it. And if your team uses strict permissions, ask an admin to grant you access to add power-ups. That's it. Your Trello board now has the Notion integration enabled and ready for use.